Hello everyone, this is the second part of the module second. In this we will discuss the earthquakes types. There are four types of earthquake: tectonic, volcanic, collapse and explosion. Actually there is one more type of earthquake, that is the reservoir induced earthquake. One by one we will discuss all these earthquakes. First, the tectonic earthquake. This is the most common one are the tectonic earthquake. These are generated due to sliding of rocks along a fault plane. As you know, in ninth class you read the three tectonic plates movement: convergent, divergent and transform. There is no formation or destruction in transform, but in convergent or in divergent movement there is a formation of crust as well as destruction of crust. So when these formation and destruction of crust held, there is a generation of energy, and when this energy reach to the surface of the earth, there is a formation of earthquake. Next, volcanic. As you know, in volcanic eruption, the molten material reach to the surface of the earth with a great energy or with a great force. This force causes for the formation of earthquake. So in volcanic eruption also, or we can say the volcanic eruption, the erupted material when reached to the surface with a great force, this force is causes for earthquake, and this kind of earthquake called as volcanic earthquake. Collapse earthquake are small earthquake in underground caverns and mines that are caused by seismic waves produced from the explosion of rock on the surface. In collapse earthquake, wherever there the mining activity held, the roof collapse on the ground and causes for energy release, and this energy causes for generation of earthquake. Fourth one is the explosion. Explosion earthquake is an earthquake that is a result of the donation of a nuclear and the chemical devices. When there is any kind of nuclear experiment there, this is also a generation of energy, and when this energy reach to the surface corners or the different corners of earth, there is a formation of earth. The last one is the reservoir induced earthquake. This kind of earthquake, the earthquake that occur in the area of large reservoirs. Actually reservoirs means the dams, the multi-purpose dams. You read this in class 10 that multi-purpose dams are most useful for human being, but on the other side there are so many disadvantages of these multi-purpose dams. Actually in dams we control the natural path of the river or the free water. Due to this control, the silt, clay or the other deposition material deposit at only one place, and this excessive material increase the pressure on the beneath rocks on the particular area, and this the extra pressure causes for the generation of different kind of sliding of rocks, and when the rocks sliding or rubbing to each other, there is a formation of energy, and when this energy reach to the surface, there is a causes for the earthquake. So this kind of earthquake which held due to the reservoir excessive deposition or only on the area of reservoir called as reservoir induced earthquake. Thank you.